Following the reports of government officials who left the country during the ravage of recent typhoons, the Department of Interior and local government assures that no one will be spared in the ongoing investigation. Orion Lesigas has more in this report.
The intense impact of the recent weather disturbances in the country, such as Tino and Uwan, has ended. But the problems faced by some local government officials who left the country before the typhoon hit are not yet over. According to DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla, they will forward to the Ombudsman the complaints they filed against 24 officials who were missing in action during such disasters. Among the complaints they will face are abandonment of duty, gross neglect, and insubordination.
Kasi may order na kami mag-umalis, sumalis pa rin eh. So titignan namin yun.
For now, Remulla said they are still completing the necessary information that will strengthen the complaints filed against the officials. Meanwhile, the governor of Isabela will not face any charges.
Umalis siya ng 8, ang ban 9. Ang mali na naman talaga niya yung humor niya, hindi wala sa lugar eh, di ba? Pero as according to the permits, tama naman ang pag-alis niya. And he tried to return as soon as possible habang nandun siya.
Remulla ensured that no one will be spared in the ongoing investigation and that those proven who violated the order will face the appropriate sanction.
Oh, lahat sila, lahat. Wala naman, the nice thing about being secretary, hindi ka political eh. So kung sino makailangan, parusahan, hindi pa parusahan.
It can be recalled that the agency issued Memorandum Circular number 2025-10 which suspends official and unofficial foreign travel of appointed and elected local government officials from November 9 to 15. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.